This is Mike again. Tips and tricks. My man is taking off. Go ahead. My man is taking off the next piece. And I'm telling him to back up. Dad, stop! Come on up. And I'm telling him how to grab it, where he needs to be.
No.
I don't know why you're not grabbing. It's not grabbing. There you go.
Am I right under it?
Yep. You got it. Come on back.
Good.
See, we're working together. Yep. That's good stuff. Don't drop it. He didn't really like me videoing, but he'll be alright. He's a star with me. Look at him, the eye of the tiger. He's concentrating. Now, for the good part. I gotta move the truck over.
And if you could move the truck close to
Yeah, I know. And I'm gonna drop this shit on the ground. Alright. So now I have to move the truck over so he can work from this side. And as you can see, because he took off too, now we tilting. But that's the job we signed up for. I'm gonna let y'all know how it turned out. Mike, tips and tricks. Managing flatbed lifestyle. Like, share, subscribe. Talk to you soon. Whew, I gotta find my razor.